So hello guys, it's me Prathamesh Sargar. So in this today's video, we are learning about multi-stage Dockerfile. Because in previous video we are learning about how we can write a Dockerfile, but that particular file is not too much production ready because the size of the image is too much large and it is not a production ready. So that we are creating multi-stage Docker. Same image we are built but in a multiple stage. So I like to show you how we can able to build that particular image. So it is the same as like same Dockerfile. Here you can see that as well. Okay. So here we are writing a Docker file, but in last video we are write only one in one stage, but we are writing here in two stages. Okay, so here is the stage 1 and same here is the stage 2. Okay, this is a stage 1 image and this is a stage 2 image. Okay, in a stage 1 image now we are particularly we are build that particular image. Here we build application image. Okay, and in this particular image we are using web servers. We use web servers and deploy static files on this simple analogy. It means what we are able to do is that we are just copying the particular required files from the build stage, and that only files we are copying in this particular stage. Here you can see that as well. From this now we are that kind of from this it create a build folder. Okay, it build production files. Okay, from the build folder, and we are just copying that only build folder files. Copy only build folder files inside our web server. Why I am told you that? Because last video we are deploying our React.js application, but it is a front-end React.js application. Okay, in this front-end what we are doing, we are just host our static files. So there is no any need to install all kind of things or all kind of dev dependencies, because there are two types of dependencies. Okay, there are two types. One is a development dependency and another one is a production dependency. In a development dependency, so if you are running any application in a development mode, then that kind of way development dependencies are important. If your application in production mode, then there is no any need of this particular dev dependencies. So we are removing that and only copy only production dependencies. So here we are writing particular Docker file in a simple and effective way. Okay, so how we can write that particular? First of all, we are get base image. Okay, I am told you that as well. From node we are getting alpine image. Okay, in last video we are discuss all kind of things here, so I am not explaining again. Then what after that what we are creating? We are creating working directory. Okay, work directory. Here in work directory is a /app. Okay, then what we are doing, we are copying all the dependencies. I am told you that as well. Copy what we are copying? We are copying package.json file in /. Mean root directory of that particular. Then we are what kind of thing? Then we are installing all the dependencies. So for that what we are running? Run command npm install in React application we are doing. Then after that we are build that particular image. So for that what we are using command? Run npm run build command. So here is the one stage, you can see that as well. Okay, just I am creating this. Okay, this is the stage 1. Okay, so this is stage 1. Just I am little bit zoom in. Okay, this is the stage 1, and in stage 1 what I am doing, what I am told you that we are using Nginx web server. So for that what we are doing, we are doing from Nginx we are using alpine image. Okay, from Nginx we are using alpine image. Okay, in that what we are doing in Nginx, now we are host only a static files. So first of all, for this na particular image we are using one name as, because we are copying that na, has like we are using that as like a builder, bulder. Just I am okay, okay, from builder. So here what we are doing, we are copying only what files that are necessary or required. So from, yes, just these are syntax related issue. From what builder folder. Okay, here is this particular builder folder. This I like to show you. This is the builder folder. Okay, this builder. This is naming convention here, as to copy that particular thing, na, that kind of things. Okay, so here we are copying that particular thing, builder folder. From builder, inside a builder we are build that particular image. Na, when we are building, there is one dist folder is created, slash dist, slash inside a slash dist, inside a dist, inside a dist folder there are lot kind of files are present. Okay, inside a dist folder. So we are copying inside, where we are copying in a slash app, in simple analogy. Here you can see that as well. Then after that what we are doing, we are expose ports in Nginx we are using expose 18 ports, then cmd run command Nginx, that kind of command here. This is kind of this is the first stage. Okay, it is a build stage, and from this particular build stage we are copy only the required files. Okay, copy only required production files. Okay, inside this particular Nginx web server. Simple analogy, Nginx web server is used for hosting a static files. Okay, if you want on this particular topic video, then comment below, I am explaining in detail. Okay, and this is the stage 2, you know that as well. This is the stage 2. Okay, now let's go to the development mode. We are writing all this code and we can see that how image optimization will be take place. Here you can see that as well, how we are build a Docker file. In a first stage we are build image, in a second stage we are deploy that particular image. Okay, so let's go to the here. Okay, so here you can see that as well, I am writing the same exact file of code, not more than that. Here you can see that as well. First of all, we are using one base image and use as a image, because we are copying now, so we are not doing all that kind of. So it is a naming convention, we are use this particular name as a builder. Okay, then creating working directory, then copying package.json file, same as like that, install dependencies, copy all source code file, then run command npm run build, same as here. In this stage we are build image. Okay, in a next stage, production image stage, we are copying only the required files from this. So I like to show you, I write a command here as well if you want. Okay, so here what kind of things I am doing is that I am npm run build. So here you can see that as well, there is one dist folder not present, but as I am clicking on this now, then it build my image. Okay, and you can say there is one build folder is presenting. Just a wait little, and yes, here you can see that as well, build folder. And inside a build folder there is one index.html file, and asset folder. Inside assets, what kind of images or what kind of images or any kind of things you are using, most of the images or videos if you want, then that kind of things only present in asset folder, and just only host over this particular image, this particular file. In production only goes this particular file, because in development mode there are lot kind of files are present and we are copying all kind of things in a particular image, but in production we are only just copying this particular file and particular asset folder inside a dist folder. So from now you understand what is how we are build that particular image, npm run build, and create one dist folder, and we are just copying that particular files from here you can see that as well. Copy from builder /app/dist, because we are creating work directory /app now. Inside /app dist where /usr/share/nginx.html, because we are creating nginx web server now. In simple analogy, we are using that as well. So here is the folder structure of that particular. We are copying that, and we are copy the nginx.config file. Here you can see that as well. It is just simple server file. Listen, server name, localhost, and root folder is /usr/nginx, that kind of things. If you just, I am here, you can docker images. Okay, just wait. So here you can see last day our React app, which is built from development environment. The size of this you can see that 556 MB. But now we are creating production ready, production grade application. So docker build -t. What was the image name? I think React prod. That will be image name, and just enter. And it will start our building our application. Okay, I am use the image name to the React prod. Okay, so just wait. Alpine as a builder, you can see that as well. Then run npm run install. Nginx is a simple, what kind of things Nginx is present is that Nginx is a static web server. If you want to learn more kind of things, then you can comment below. I am told that kind of thing, because in production we are not a host. In production we are not run npm run install, npm run npm run dev, that kind of things we are not able, not even we are doing that kind of things. So Nginx is the best for production, and most of the industry level applications use that as well. Okay, so what kind of things are present here? Yes, npm run install, copy packet.json file, and there is one error is coming. No, it is one error notice. Yes, it is a building. Okay, that's great. npm run build that image, then copying all the kind of things. Okay, so I think yes, let's see. So let's see the image size. Docker images, last images. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, here you can see that as well. I like to show you how the size difference will be changed gonna. Okay, so here you can see that as well. Our React prod is a 17 MB only, and last hour we are creating same Docker file, same application, same Docker file, but we are built just only in a multi-stage. In last it is a 556 MB, but now it is a 17 MB. You can see that same things will gonna happen.